I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in Class 9th, easy method. Start by organizing your syllabus into weekly goals and focus on high-frequency grammar and vocabulary. Break lessons into 30-minute focus sessions and review with short quizzes. Read one short story or article each week and underline new words. Practice speaking aloud for 5 minutes daily and write a one-paragraph summary to reinforce learning. Read actively and warmly, as if telling a friend about the text, and always mark new vocabulary. After each paragraph, write one clear sentence summary to retain the main idea. Note 2 questions to explore deeper meaning or context and answer them from the text. Use a vocabulary journal to record words, examples, and synonyms, then review 5 words daily for strong retention and confidence in speaking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with study habits because it teaches long-term thinking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you want a quick mindset boost. Now let's get back to the video. Make practice fun and consistent. Do short weekly quizzes and timed exercises to build exam readiness. Write one paragraph and one formal letter each week to improve structure and clarity. Use past exam papers for one timed session every 2 weeks to get used to pressure. Review mistakes calmly and correct them in a notebook. Reward progress with small treats to keep motivation steady and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.